doing? I'm going to show you how I'm doing this video. It's on the 83 Mustang GT. The shocks on this thing, they are hard to get off on the 83. You can see where they bolt in to the axle holder there, and to get to it you have to drop your control arm to get to the bolt inside here. So there's a modification that happened on the like 86 and beyond Mustangs and stuff, and it's a kit you can get from, I got it from LMR. But what it's going to do is it's going to bolt on here like this, and then you can turn this sideways and bolt it on like a regular one. It will make replacing the shocks in the future super easy. But right now you got to drop the control arm and line it back up and get the pin in. It's really a pain. It's like a little circus here you got to do with stands and jacks and stuff. And I've already done the other side, but I was just going to show you how, if you have a Mustang that mounts shocks on like this, you can go, let me go over and show you the other side. Kind of tight quarters in here, but so I already have it on. This is how it mounts now. You can see mounts on there. It has this little hook that goes in a hole up there, and it just bolts on. It comes to the hardware. The bolt to mount this hardware right here. This, however, you might be able to order it. LMR, couldn't find it, but they might have it. I just went to the hardware store and matched up as I could on that. The next time it'll be so much easier. You just take this bolt off that, and then you do the upper bolt up in the top part of the Mustang where it goes through there, and you just replace it. So if any of y'all ever have you have to replace this and find out that it's a pain in the ass you have to do it, you can order that from LMR, and it will make it much easier in the future to replace your shocks. And I'll see if I can focus on this part number for you here. See if I can get it out and make it focus. But that's the part number right there. You can pause it if you need to. Order from LMR too. It costs roughly like $30 plus shipping, unless you order like over $50. Also comes with this nut. You see right here. And the only other thing is you got to get the hardware to mount the shocks on there. But the shocks come with the upper mount hardware. You just got to get the cross bolt and everything. And make sure it's smooth for the end part where the goes in on the shocks themselves, and it goes in there. But this is the old shocks, and it's fixing to get replaced. And this is how you access the upper one. Right through here, I've already removed the nut from there. So now when I drop that out, it'll just fall right out. And I'll put that new hardware on, and it'll mount right back on there. And the hardest part is getting the control arm back on there. So if you want to save yourself some trouble in the future, this is a nice little modification doing the older Mustangs. I assume 79 through 83, maybe 84. I've had this rear end replaced. This is 8.8. And apparently it's 86 and above. It has a 373 in it, so I wish I'd have gone ahead and done that a long time ago. It would have saved me a lot of hassle this time. But anyways, that's it for this video, and subscribe if you like what you see. This is for the older Fox body Mustangs only. Thanks for watching. Bye.